जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 30th श्लोक। गीताचार्य Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, there are 4 kind of people who approaches me for their own benefits. Out of that 4, 2 of them are approaching me to gain some Aishwaryam from me. So those 2 categorized people are called as Aishwaryardhi. And one category comes to me to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. They are known as Kaivalyardhi. And another category comes to me to seek me, to gain me. And they want just me alone. They do not want anything from me. They are known as Jnani. So all these 3 categories, they have to know specific things to gain those fruits from me. And now what they need to know is like this. Those who want to gain Aishwaryam from me, they have to know that I am associated with Adhibhutam. They have to know that I am associated with Adhidaivam. They have to know that I am associated with Adhiyajnam. And they have to have Antimasmruti. So these 4 things, those who are asking for Aishwaryam from me, they have to know these 4 things. And now those who are seeking me, they have to know 2 things. That is Adhiyajnam, Antimasmruti. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving instructions to those 3 categorized people to know specific things, to gain their specific fruits from Sri Krishna Paramatma. It is like this. Altogether, the things to know is 7. Those are Tad Brahma, Adhyatmam, Akhila Karma, Adhibhutam, Adhidaivam, Adhiyajnam, Antimasmruti. These are 7 things. Now, those who are asking Aishwaryam, they have to know 4 things in these 7. Those are Adhibhutam, Adhidaivam, Adhiyajnam, Antimasmruti. And those who are asking for Atma Sakshatkaram, they have to know 5 things. Those are Tad Brahma, Adhyatmam, Akhila Karma, Adhiyajnam, Antimasmruti. And those who are seeking Sri Krishna Paramatma, they have to know 2 things. Those are Adhiyajnam, Antimasmruti. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma displaying a few things for all of us to know and leaving us to understand it very clearly. Because we do not know what are those 7 things. Now, let us be in the shoes of Arjuna and get ready to ask for the details of those 7 things. Having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sadhibhutadhidaivam Mam Sadhiyajnyancha Ye Viduhu प्रयाणकालेऽपि च मां ते विदुः युक्तचेतसः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Tritiya Skandhamulo Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, now Vidura is asking Maitreya like this. O Maitreya, you have told me that the Srishti Kramam, in the process of Srishti, you said Brahma brought out all the Prajapatis. The Marichi and all those Prajapatis were brought out by Brahma. Now I would like to know about Swayambhuva Manuvu and all other 14 Manu, all of their stories, all of their history, and I would like to know whoever is born in their dynasty and all their details. O Maitreya, please tell me about all the worlds which are there above this earth. And I would like to know about all the worlds which are there below this earth. I would like to know the sizes of all those worlds. O Maitreya, please tell me about the size of this Bhulokam. Please tell me the process, how the human beings and animals, devatas, how they came into existence. I would like to know about all other animals, how they came into existence. O Maitreya, Srujataha Srinivasasya Vyachakshva Udara Vikramam. I would like to know about Srimannarayana, Srinivasa, with compassion, how many of the forms Paramatma has taken, how many of avatarams he has taken to came down and to run this entire Srishti. Varnashrama Vibhagamscha Rupasila Svabhavataha. O Maitreya, I would like to know about the system, how this entire universe is running, and the categorization of all the duties among all the humans, how it is established, I would like to know. Also, Maitreya, I would like to know about Pancharatra Shastram, which is revealed by Srimannarayana himself. I would like to know about that Shastram. Like this, Vidura requesting Maitreya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 30th sloka. Sadhi Bhutadhi Daivam Mam Sadhi Yajnancha Ye Viduhu Prayanakale Picha Mam Te Viduhu Yukta Chetasaha Sadhi Bhutadhi Daivam Mam Sadhi Yajnancha Ye Viduhu Prayanakale Picha Mam Te Viduryukta Chetasaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.